Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off. It's such a hassle when you see that your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and won't even load the home screen. It even happens to newer models like the iPhone 15. Thankfully, your phone probably isn't broken. There are several solutions when your iPhone is stuck showing the Apple logo. There are several reasons why your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo and won't get past this booting stage, such as bugs or other data corruption issues in the iPhone's iOS. If you want to fix this iPhone keeps rebooting issue without losing data, the easiest way is by using a reliable and professional iOS system repair tool, iPhone Fixpo, which enables you to fix iOS problems with all data saved. First of all, please plug your iPhone to computer with USB cable. Then go to iPhone Fixpo website. This is best free iOS system recovery and repair tool. You can repair 150 and more iDevice system problems like stuck on Apple logo, screen won't turn on, recovery mode loop, reboot, and black screen. It can easily fix any kind of iDevice's system issues and get your device back to normal. With a few clicks, you can handle it by yourself in minutes without data loss. This tool is available on Windows and Mac. Please download and install iPhone Fixpo on your computer. Then click Start Repair. After clicking the Apple System Repair tab, choose the standard mode to repair without losing data. You may be required to put your iPhone into recovery mode first. Please put your iPhone to recovery mode. Please follow the instruction to make your device into DFU mode or recovery mode. After that, you will see Download firmware for fixing. When the available firmware is detected, you can choose the one that suits or stick to the one that pops up. Now, click the download button to get the firmware. Make sure you have good connection to download the firmware. And please wait, the firmware is downloading. With the downloaded firmware, you're able to click the Start Standard Repair button for the program to save your iPhone from restarting loop. After that, iPhone Fixpo will fix your device from stuck on Apple logo. Please wait until success. Then go back to your iPhone. Please wait, your iPhone will automatically restart. And yeah, your iPhone is back to normal again. Now you can use iPhone like usual without losing data and without any problem. That's all about how to fix iPhone stuck in Apple logo. There are also tips to avoid your iPhone from being stuck in a boot loop again. If you want to get the problem fixed as soon as possible, the professional iOS system recovery software, iPhone Fixpo, is what you need. It saves you time and effort while getting your boot loop iPhone back without causing data loss. Feel free to download and have a try. Standard mode can fix iPhone stuck in reboot loop, no data loss. Solve all iOS issues, including iPhone keeps on restarting, iPhone keeps turning on and off, iPhone stuck on Apple logo loop, and many more. You can check the link download on description of this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update and see you on the next video. Thank you.